Hello, fellow change makers. At Project Change, we believe that real and positive change is achievable only when the youth realize they have what it takes to be change makers. This realization process can take multiple forms, but will require the efforts of change makers worldwide. We groom self-sufficient youth through our paradigm-shifting workshops and conferences. Through these initiatives, we unite and unlock the potential of young people by training them to be entrepreneurs and providing them with resources like microgrants to help them jumpstart empowerment within our immediate communities. One of the most notable of these is our biannual Changemaker Workshop. Through our first ever paradigm-shifting workshop, we encounter young people passionate about helping steer Liberia towards productivity. However, they lack the resources and skill set necessary to initiate real impact within our immediate communities. The goal of the Changemaker Workshop 2023 is to produce such resources and skill sets. The workshop will bring together high schoolers from across Liberia and explore topics such as personal or career development, youth empowerment, financial management, and much more. During the workshop, the business plan competition will be hosted and allow participants to present a business-oriented solution to a social issue within their chosen region. Partner with us now, and together we can rebuild a whole Liberia and help transform the lives of thousands of youth. We ask that you kindly consider donating to our Changemakers Workshop. Apart from monetary donations, we also accept new or used tablets, computers, books, and office supplies. If you are interested in partnering with us or donating any of these items, please email us at support@projectchangeinliberia.org. Thank you, fellow change makers.